Hi, I'm Joshua Alexander, mental health freedom fighter, and I'd like to talk today about the theory of metabolism. So, metabolism is just a discovery that hundreds of years ago that we're alive. It basically just means we're alive, we're living, breathing beings. We take in food for nutrients and excrete waste. That's it. It's just a basic discovery that we're alive. And over the years, theorists in mental health have attempted to use this as an explanation for things. Like it was typically used for weight gain. Oh, well, you have a slow metabolism. Well, there's no evidence of that. There's nothing measurable. It's basically just we don't know why you have weight gain, so we're going to blame it on you, on your body. Something's faulty with you, and this is what happens in health all the time. People don't know. No one knows what causes chronic illness in both conventional and alternative medicine. So they come up with theories. Either the industry or doctors with a big idea come up with a theory for why someone's suffering. Oh, you have weight gain. Other people might not, but you do, so you must just have something wrong with you. You must just have a slow metabolism. And this is ridiculous because it's not based on anything real. It's basically just an outdated old concept that we're alive. And to use it as an explanation for chronic illness is really, it's really like insulting. It's insulting. The reason why I'm talking about this is because now people are trying to use this as in relation to mental illness. And I can't explain to you how utterly ridiculous this is. When you hear someone talking about metabolism in relation to chronic illness, the first thing you have to know what that means is they don't know why you're sick. They don't have any understanding of how the body works, and they have no idea what's causing your symptoms. Because, like I said, it just means we're alive. So if they're trying to use the word metabolism to explain mental illness, I would run, not walk in the other direction. It means they have no idea what they're talking about. They're taking a theory, some meaningless theory of mythical metabolism, and they're going to try to give you advice based on that. It's scary. It's scary. And we should be intellectually honest, and people should admit that they have no idea. They're just making it up. They should just be like, I have no idea why you're sick, so I'm going to take this mythical idea of metabolism, and I'm just going to create a theory around it, and I'm going to use that to try to help you. They should just be honest, because that's all it is. It has nothing to do with mental illness. It has nothing to do with why you're sick, because it's meaningless. All it means is that we're alive. And before we cleanse, after we cleanse, our metabolism is the same, because it just means we're alive. And you can't actually accurately and reliably measure how you're burning calories. We can't actually accurately and reliably measure that. So two things that are a problem with this is, one, they're putting the blame on you, right? So it's just another theory in the industry to put the blame on you, so that you're thinking something's faulty. You think you're to blame for the illness. You think if it's something that's faulty with you, then it's like you're going to have it forever. So I have to just mitigate it with these trends, whatever they're pushing. In this case, the high fat. It's being used with the high fat trend. So I'm faulty, right? My metabolism's messed up. So I can't actually be healthy. So I have to try to mitigate it with this high fat trend to keep it in line, keep my metabolism in line. So, and the other thing is, it keeps us from asking, when the blame's put on us, it keeps us from asking why they don't have real answers. Why don't they actually know why we're sick? Why don't they actually know what's causing the symptoms? Why doesn't the industry have answers for chronic illness or mental illness? So it's just really scary that professionals are coming up with ideas and then leading people into harmful trends when they don't know why people are sick. It's negligent. They should be honest. They should really, there should be a disclaimer at the front of their program or their whatever they're pushing, right? So it's just really important to know that when you hear the word metabolism out there, it means they have no idea what they're talking about. You have to know this. It's really important. You want to have choices when you've been struggling. That's serious. Your life matters. It creates a lot of suffering. You have a right to live your life. You have a right to be healthy, and it's not you. It's not your body's fault. Your body's not faulty. Your mind's not faulty. There's nothing wrong with you. Okay, what causes symptoms, chronic illness and mental illness symptoms, are invaders. Okay, external things like viruses and toxic heavy metals that get into our body and disrupt body systems. So toxic heavy metals in the brain causing nerve impulses to not be able to flow properly, contributing to the brain overheating, our neurons getting dirty, not communicating information properly. These are real causes for mental illness symptoms. It's not some mythical metabolism. It's not some mythical, our mind is just working differently. Our body's just processing food at different rates. No, it's it doesn't work that way. It's so beginner stupid. It's not the people that are stupid. It's the idea is stupid because it's not based on anything real. It's I don't know. It's terrifying to me that we're evolving backwards. We're literally evolving backwards in health. Like it's just getting worse and worse. 20 years ago, the trends were bad, and now they're still bad, and they're still the same trends are still circling around the drain, but it's getting worse. Like to try to use metabolism as an explanation for mental illness, I can't explain to you how ridiculously negligent that is. After over 25 years of me searching in health, witnessing all the trends, witnessing all the people being harmed. I mean, I've been so harmed by trends. So much money wasted, so much time wasted, actual harm to health, right? Over the years. No one ever pays for that. No one ever gets held accountable for that. They're never gonna 10 years from now, all the people that they harmed with the metabolism theory and the high fat that they're pushing on them, when they're in a worse condition 10 years from now, when their health is worse, when they're, in really bad shape, there's going to be no apologies. There's going to be no corrections. They're just going to be a new generation of people are going to be getting suckered into these same bad ideas and these same theories. And it goes on and on and on, round and round. And I've witnessed it. So you have to be really cautious. It's important to be skeptical. You want to be skeptical. You don't want to blindly follow some professional with a big idea who doesn't know why you're sick. Okay, so we have the answers now in the Medical Medium books. You can pick up the Brain Saver book. You can read what's actually causing your symptoms, why you're struggling with mental health, specifically what's causing it, real information that actually works, and then you have a choice. Okay, then you could say, do I want to follow some random guy with a man-made theory who doesn't know why I'm sick, who's building a platform for himself, or do I want to follow real information that has a track record of decades and decades and decades of healing people and pulling them out of the worst health chronic illness situations, and based on real information about how the body works and is not man-made theories, right? So the medical medium information is not man-made. It's it's not some professional with a big idea, right? This is information from above, and it's real, and it heals, and it works. And it's the only source, after over 25 years of searching, it's the only source I trust, because how long can you get bounced around and beat up and bruised by all the people out there pushing products and ideas and theories when they don't know why you're sick? I mean, it's only gotten, with social media now, it's only gotten worse. Everyone in social media is pushing something. I'm not pushing anything, all right? I haven't made 1 cent in the 9 years I've been preaching the medical medium information. I haven't made 1 cent. My channel's not monetized yet. I hope it will be Sunday because I got to eat too, but I haven't made a cent. My eBooks are free. The links are in the description. Read my books for free. And I'm just trying to reach you because I care, because I don't want you to suffer like I did. I don't want you to suffer because of some cockamamie theory about metabolism when it has nothing to do with why you're sick. Literally nothing. has nothing to do with mental health. It's so ridiculous. So just, you have a choice now. You can read the medical medium books. You could use your free will, and you could decide for yourself. And choose wisely. All right. I wish you the best. God bless you.